So this is Miss Purple and Miss No Collar. Miss Purple's collar broke this morning, and so she's in this silly little bell and floral collar, and she's not too sure what she thinks about it. Oh yeah. They just came in from outside, so they're playing now inside. This is Miss No Collar. She's had a little growth spurt this last week, so she's as big as the biggest of the females at this point. She's nice and thick, really sweet. I'd say moderate on the intelligence scale. She's done very well with her schooling here. It's definitely a sweet little puppy. Let me see her face real quick. Hi, Miss. Oh, hello. Oh, very nice. Very nice. And you've got Miss Purple. And as I said in her personality description, she's a little bit timid. She's sweet. She kind of finds her person and hunkers down. She's a little bit calmer than normal right now. I think she's tired from being outside. Isn't she? Isn't she? Put her in your lap, honey. You can hold her. She might want to cuddle. So here's Miss No Collar. She found the bone that's out, and she's digging that. So that's excellent. Here we go. Aw, sweet thing. Here's Miss Purple. Hello. What do you think? There you go, honey. I might have to add on to this video a little later once Purple wakes up a bit. What do we think? Good job, miss. Do you both like your chew toy? Oh, you're gonna lick it? Taste it first, see if you like it. So again, this is Miss Purple, even though she's in this floral collar. Her collar broke. And there's a little bell on it, and it's throwing her for a loop today. Isn't that true? We should have bought in 2 bones. You can see she's kind of curious, a little cautious. She's very gentle with my daughter. Very gentle with the other puppies. She's just a sweet soul. What did you find? What did you find? I'm gonna fight over this one a little bit, huh? Here you go. All right. I'm definitely getting to see a lot of Mrs. No Collar's personality. Some of it with Purple could be maturity too. She might grow out of her shell a little bit. She's certainly the most timid of the females this week, but you know, teal and orange were much more that way last week. They grow out of those things and they learn their new experiences, but she's always been real sweet, real cuddly, always wants to be on your lap. Very sweet little thing. You've got No Collar in the background. Oh, beautiful puppy. Good job. I'm gonna hold them up kind of together. Yeah. So again, this is No Collar and Miss Purple. 8 weeks old today. She doesn't want to sit. Yeah, good girls. Good girls. Good girls. All right. Bye. Oh, look at you sitting so pretty now after I said bye, huh? What was that?